Let me record it. So we are given this f of x. We want to find out if it is even, odd, or neither. We have f of x. We want to check f of minus x. Now let's find out f of minus x, that is replacing the x with a negative x. So we've got a minus x raised to power 6 plus 7 minus x raised to power 2 minus 1. And we know anything's power is even. So that number itself becomes even. So x raised to power 6 remain as it is, plus 7x square minus 1. Now we see over here, however was f of x, f of minus x is exactly the same. At that time we say that function is even. Function is even in this case.
How
Any
do you know if
questions
it's
with?
odd?
Yeah. So now we will be checking if the function is odd or not. Let me take an example for that as well. I'm bringing it on my screen. Yeah. So here is the question. And now in this question, we check f of minus x again. So minus 7 minus x raised to power 3 plus minus x raised to power 5. And when we solve it further, minus 7 and we know minus a raised to power even power. Sorry, not even power. This time we have it odd power. There is an odd power. So what happens is, so let's keep both of them together. They are visible. Okay, minus a raised to power odd power gives us a negative, and this gives a raised to power that particular odd power. For example, if there was minus 5 raised to power 2, it is going to be minus 5 times minus 5, which is a positive number, or we can also say 5 square. And if it was 5 raised to power minus 5 raised to power 3, that means minus 5 times minus 5 times minus 5. So this is going to be a negative 125, or we can say negative of 5 raised to power 3. Any question in this part?
No.
Okay. So you got a negative and x raised to power 3 plus a negative and x raised to power 5. So minus and minus becomes a plus, 7x cubed, plus and minus becomes a minus x raised to power 5. Now we can see both the signs of f of x and f of minus x are opposite. That means if we do a negative of f of x, so negative outside, 7 and negative of minus f of minus x cubed minus x raised to power 5. This becomes a negative 7x raised to power 3 plus x raised to power 5, because whenever the negative symbol goes inside, it just changes the symbols. Now we can see that the original function f of x is not equal to this, but it is equal to negative f of minus x. Both of them are same. So at that time, we say when the functions are same in this way, we say that f of x is an odd function.
And how do you know if it's neither?
So now for doing of a function which is neither, so for that both of the conditions should not satisfy. Let's do an example of that as well. Let me bring it on my screen. Is it visible? Is it visible to you?
Yeah.
So over here again we check f of minus x. So it comes out to be minus x raised to power 5 minus 3. Odd power, that means negative x raised to power 5 minus 3. And over here we got that f of x is not equal to f of minus x. That means f of x is not even. Now we check minus of f of minus x, minus of this whole thing. We find it x raised to the 5 plus 3. Now see, we can see here f of x is also not equal to minus f of minus x. So f of x is not odd. So when this happens, that it's neither equal to f of minus x and nor it is equal to negative of f of minus x. So f of x is neither even or odd. So this is how we determine if a function is even or the function is odd. Any question in this? Do you want to have a look at all of them again?
No. Good.
Sometimes in books, it's also put in the format f of minus of f of x, like f of minus x and minus f of x are not equal. Similarly, in this function, f of minus x we check and minus f of x. So both are the same things, just a negative sign is shifted to the other side. So this is how it is given in multiple books, but this is how we can also tell if it is an odd or not. Both are the same things. So in summary, f of x is an even function if the negative of that number is also equivalent to the original function. And if we are plugging in the negative of that number and it is equivalent to minus f of x, negative of that whole entire function, then it is an odd function. And if it is neither equal to the positive number nor equal to negative, it's neither equal to the positive function nor equal to its a negative of a function, then we say it's neither odd nor even. So this is how we can determine if a function is even or odd.